Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS version because menu names vary slightly. Once confirmed, gather the private DNS address or hostname you intend to use. Open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet. Do not waste time toggling unrelated options. Make sure you're connected to the network you'll configure, Wi-Fi or mobile, so system validation succeeds. If using a host name, ensure it resolves and supports DNS over TLS. This avoids silent failures when you switch the phone to private DNS mode. Now configure the private DNS entry directly. Navigate to Network and Internet and tap Private DNS. Select Private DNS provider hostname and type the exact hostname from your provider, for example, DNS. Example. Com. Tap Save and watch the status indicator. Android attempts a TLS handshake, so expect a brief pause. If it accepts, apps will start resolving via the private provider. If not, toggle airplane mode briefly to force new network negotiation, then recheck. This clears cached DNS and forces the system to validate the new setting. Finish by verifying the configuration using a browser or a DNS test app so you confirm queries go through the private provider. Look for provider-specific IP responses. If sites fail to load, revert private DNS to automatic to restore access, then check the hostname's TLS certificate and that the provider supports Android's DNS over TLS on port 853. If problems persist, restart the device and clear app caches. This often resolves lingering resolution issues. One tip: invalid certificates are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.